Hi there guys, this is Rutuja Bhagwat and welcome to my video. In today's video I'm going to talk about my planner organization. As you can see, I am, or if you guys didn't know, I am a big planner nerd, planner girl, whatever you want to call me, because I love to organize, and this is how I stay organized using my planner, because I just have everything right in this. I know what day to do what and everything. Oh, by the way, I just voted. So let's begin. Basically, while using my planner, I don't have fancy supplies or anything fancy. What I do is I just use pens or pencils, and it is not even like decided. I use whatever is available, whatever is near my desk. So I just use anything that's available, and nothing is I don't color code, I don't do anything, because I don't want to make it a mess. I want to use it I want to use it effortlessly, so that is the reason why I just use these two. So this was designed by me, and in case you guys wanted, in case you guys have not yet got your own planner, you can comment below and I can make it for you again. As you can see, it's designed by me. Now let's get into the planner. As you can see on the first page, I have made this little pocket, and it comes with the planner. So when you buy it, and if you want this, you can you will definitely get this. So it's a pretty hot pink color pocket with golden or rose gold colored tape right here. So I have more such tapes in my store Jokoverb. So if you guys want, you can place an order. In the pocket, what I do is I have kept these sticky notes, so marking becomes easy. I can just remove, I can put back, so it's damn important. The next thing are these flags. So these are just pink colored flags that I use. And the next one are these stickers. I use them, so these are basically my, I use them for keeping a track on my menstrual cycle. So actually I also use an app, but then these are just for some fun. So whenever I have my first day of period, I just put it on the day. So I keep all these things inside. So for now I'll remove, yeah. So in this, these are just the basic resolutions or whatever, and this is just the plain thing what I've written. This is your year. So yes, this is definitely my year. So moving on inside, this is the personal information page, and I have purposely stuck a hot pink colored tinted sheet here. And again, if you want tinted sheets, they are available on my store Jokoverb, so you can place an order there. So I've purposely done that. You guys can do it too, because our information is vulnerable, it's out there, and so you can stick it so it's not easily seen by strangers around you, in case you use your planner even at your workplace. So yes, so after the personal information page begins my January page. So January is already over, but January is like full of information, and I can tell you how to do all that. So this is the page divider. So in the first page, I have given all quotes. So dreams don't work unless you do. So this is how I wanted to begin my year. So as you can see inside, this is the monthly focus page. If you can see, yeah. So in this page, what I do is I write about what the month is going to be, and I usually fill this first page before the month begins, so I know that what date what is going to happen. So as you can see here, these were all the important things that were going to happen in the month of January. Like 7th was a college photo shoot, 9th was my best friend's birthday, and then so on. So monthly focus was Amrita's birthday, so this was the monthly focus of this of January. Apart from that, there was nothing that important. And then the month begins. So this is the weekly page, and in weekly page there are like different stuff that I have written. So what I do is after the tasks are done, I put a small tick right here, and then when I have ticks in each month, on each day, I put a big tick right here. So that just means that the week is done, sorted, and I don't have to look back at the week again. So all the tasks are done. Okay. And how I mention tasks is I start from the bottom. So as you can see, I've started from the bottom. I put a small square and then I write what the task is, and I go up, 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 up like that. I write one tasks there. So once the task is done, I just strike it off and I put a small tick. So once all the tasks are done of one day, I just tick it off. As you can see, I put that menstrual cycle sticker right here. So all the important days that are there, like all the important days that I have to keep in mind, I put a circle. So so this was important because there was this photo shoot thing, so I put a circle there because it was an important date. So you can see all the pages are done like that, are all of the pages are like this. And I use these heart stickers when there's a birthday or an anniversary. So it was my best friend's birthday, Amrita, so I have put a red heart here, so it's damn easy to know. And also when there is anything important to submit, what I do is I write something on the sticky notes that are there, and I just stick it right there. Apart from that, nothing is special. As you can see, whatever tasks I want, like whatever tasks are weekly, like for example, like Bewakoof.com. So this was a collaboration I was doing with Bewakoof.com guys. So when that happens, and you know, I just wanted to post, I want to write a post on them. So when that happens, and there is no specific date, I just write about what I want to do in that week right here. Okay, so apart from that, there is nothing special here. So so to organize, what I do is I also write birthdays of people. So for now, what I do is I write birthdays of close people, birthdays of classmates, birthdays of family members. So these are three things that I do, or these are three birthday, or these are people that are worthy of wishing or whatever. Okay, so yeah, so moving on, there I have one more sticker here. So in case you guys want stickers, you can definitely ask me, because I had put these stickers on sale, like sticker sheets where there were like lot of stuff, like for example coconut trees that indicate vacation, this, that. So now this coconut tree indicates Bangalore. So I was gonna leave for my best friend Purnami's wedding, which was gonna happen in Tiruthahalli. So it was near Shimoga, but then I wrote here Bangalore because I didn't know where exactly it was back then. So yeah, I've written Bangalore here. So I was gonna leave on 30th January for Bangalore. Apart from that, this is how the week is. After that, this is the monthly view. So I don't really use monthly view because I already have a calendar hung on my room's wall, so it's not really important to me. So I just fill it for the sake of filling it, or just to see what the month looks like. But this is not really an important page to me. As you can see, there is one more side here for, you know, writing notes and everything, but I don't use that either because there's not much to write. Then this is the inspiration page. So I've not used this page in this month, but I had definitely used it in the February, as you can see. So this is a little inspiration note I'd written right yesterday. I wrote it yesterday itself. Okay, so now in February, I'm not gonna go in details again, but this was just a page. So this is what I'd used for February overview. So as you can see, these were the monthly focus. There was this conference that was yesterday, then my best friend's wedding, then these are the tasks. So these are actually all the posts to write in the month of February. So so January favorites, February goals, wedding pics, this, that. So these are the posts that I have to write, and then these are just extra notes that I wrote. So moving on, the first week of February. So this is another note that I had stuck here, special event, because it was my best friend's wedding. So special event I had written here, and apart from that, nothing else. Then as you can see, I have used these little symbols here to indicate some reference. So there is one here and one right here. So this is just a reference there. I've used it for that. So this is what the rest of February looks like. This is the last week of February that has yet to happen, but still you can see it's full with stuff to do. Then I had provided a special love page because February is all about love. So I just provided a page here, but I did not do anything special. And you can see this is the monthly page view, and then the inspiration notes, and then the March begins. Okay, so what next I want to show you guys is this. So I happen to be master student and we have dissertation in this semester. This is the last semester and we have to do that. So my sir was dictating me what I need to do in my dissertation, what stuff I need to write or take care of. So I have just mentioned all of that here. So randomly I took out a page and I started writing. So that's the reason why I have just stuck a sticky note or yellow color, and I've written 18/2. So on 18 February when the lecture happened, this is what sir told me. So just stuck a sticker there. So once I make these necessary changes, then I'll just remove this because then this will not be that important. Okay. The main thing is I want to show you guys is something that I myself do, or this is like nothing generic. This is what I think you guys should also adapt because it's a fantastic idea. After all the months are over, I had provided with these extra pages to write stuff. So what I did was in the December inspiration page, I stuck a notebook here. So yes, I have stuck a notebook here using double-sided tape. So whenever I have to, I'm a little thrifty, conjuice as you can call me when it comes to using pages. So I don't use them much because I just want to write more good stuff here. What I've done is to write just random notes to write that. I have stuck a notebook here. In this I just write about different things like my store joker verb ideas. So whenever we have meetings, I write that down. Then if the professor tells me to make some changes in my research paper, in my dissertation paper, I just do all that. So this is where I write random ideas. So it's good. Like for example, when I'm traveling, all I have to really do is fold the book, take my pen and just start writing. It's that simple. So this is a great idea, guys. So if you really want to have more pages, or you really want to have more space to write, you can use this method. Just take a small sized book and you will be done. So what I've done is to mark where my book is, I've stuck a pink color flag here. So just if I want to go to the last pages, I just have to pick this up. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you go and check out my blog post, and I hope you buy these goodies on my store. All the information is written right down below. So if you guys really want anything, you can, and your feedback, everything is welcome. Just tell me how the video was, and if you really like the organization, go for it, because an organized life is really wonderful. You have the track of everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.